Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacey here, and I'm back again with another hair growth treatment. And as you can see, we're going to be using pawpaw or papaya leaves again for this treatment, but this time we're going to be doing another form of treatment or another method which you can use to incorporate the benefits of pawpaw or papaya leaves into your hair regimen. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and shred the leaves up and place in a bowl. Papaya is one of the most common fruits, and the trees are found virtually everywhere you look around. So especially in Africa, you can always find about 10 trees just around you. So it's easier to pluck out the leaves and use them for this treatment. So yeah, I don't believe they sell it in the market, so just check in your area. You might find a papaya tree where you can pluck the leaves from and prepare your own treatment. So yeah, when I'm done shredding the leaves, I'll just go ahead and wash them to get rid of any dust or any dirt that may be hiding in it. So yeah, I'm just going to wash that a couple of times to make sure that it's properly clean before we proceed to the next step. So yeah, that's me washing it again. For this treatment, I'm just using one papaya leaf. You do not need a lot because you just want to make a little batch that you can use within a couple of days, and then you can always make another one, especially if you have the papaya tree around. So yeah, I just transferred the clean leaves into a pot and added about 2.5 cups of water. Then I'm going to go ahead and transfer it onto my cooker, and we want to boil this for about 15 to 20 minutes until the water turns this golden brown. So yeah, this is the color you're going for. It means the leaves have extracted their juice or their content. So you go ahead and just strain that up. So I'm going to strain it, and this is what I got. So yeah, that's how it looks, and I'll go ahead and transfer it into my spray bottle. For the sake of this video, I'm just transferring it while it's hot, but you want to let this cool down before you transfer into your spray bottle. So I'm just showing you guys, but then I'm going to let it cool down before I proceed to applying the treatment onto my hair. So for application, I'm just going to section out my hair as usual and spray the papaya leaf extract or the papaya tea onto my hair. So I'm going to apply on my scalp as well and massage it. I always insist on scalp massages. So yeah, I'm actually just refreshing my hair. So I use my leave-in conditioner after spritzing my hair with the papaya juice or the papaya leaf tea. Then I apply my leave-in conditioner and then just twist my hair up. So you don't need to rinse out this tea. Like as you can see, I'm applying my leave-in conditioner after. That means there's no rinsing out. So yeah, you don't need to rinse out the tea. Just apply it like your liquids and then apply your leave-in conditioner, and you can seal with an oil. But at this time, I do not need an oil. I do not need to oil my hair at this point. So yeah, I go ahead and just continue to spritz my hair and scalp, then I massage it and then proceed to apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I'll twist my hair up. So this is how I refresh my hair, like within the week. So you can always apply the spritz on your hair like every day if you have the time. Yeah, so I do this every day. Sometimes if I'm home all day, I can even do as many times as possible. Yeah, I do exaggerate sometimes, but yeah, you can spritz it on your hair as many times as you want or as you have the time. So basically, this treatment can be used every day. So it's a daily treatment. You can just spritz your hair every evening or in the morning. It just depends, like I said, when you have the time. Just spritz your hair and that's it. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at some of the benefits of using this papaya tea or papaya leaf tea on your hair. So papaya contains strong alkaloid compounds like caffeine. This caffeine is very important because it works effectively against dandruff, balding, and hair thinning. Papaya leaves also contain vitamin A, C, E, K, and B, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, sodium, and iron. It's also effective in removing dirt and excess oil from your scalp. We don't want any excess build up on our scalp because that's where our hair grows from, and we want our hair to be healthy from the roots. Papaya leaf tea is also known to fight excessive shedding, and it also prevents premature graying. Some people have claimed that the consistent usage of papaya leaves have helped them with their graying hair. So with this kind of treatment, you want to be consistent in order to see results. So go ahead, guys, and do your own research before you proceed to make a decision whether you want to include this in your regimen, in your hair regimen, or not. So papaya leaves also have antifungal and antibacterial properties, which supports hair and scalp health. Like we said before, it helps with dandruff issues and other scalp infections. So yeah, you might want to consider this treatment. It's a very powerful treatment. So yeah, you want to include this in your hair regimen. Papaya leaf extract or papaya tea is also known to serve as a natural conditioner for your hair, and it also adds shine to the hair. So yeah, you want to consider this in your hair regimens because of all the amazing benefits, especially this compound called caffeine. It's very effective in preventing hair loss, hair thinning, balding, dandruff, and the like. So yeah, this is also very commonly used in shampoos because of this caffeine compound. So the caffeine compound is very important. That's why most anti-dandruff shampoos have this extract in it to help prevent dandruff and hair loss and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much if you made it this far. Please consider giving this video a like if you liked it and if you found value in it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the family. Make sure you also turn on post notifications so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video on my channel. And yeah, guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and bye-bye.